Hey, this is Deidre at Jean Andrew Hair Solutions. I am doing a quick demo of making a 2 bundle 1 closure unit, and it's on a adjustable stretch cap. So I have already prepped the closure. I've colored both bundles and the closure, and I've actually basted the closure to the foundation already. So you'll be able to quickly see how I sew the closure on with the machine. Once I sew the closure on, then I proceed and I attach the bundles to the unit, okay? But this is what it looks like. Okay, that's the underneath where the closure is already basted. Here's your closure on the outside. I sew from underneath so that way I can see what I'm doing. And then this is the extra lace that's already there. Once I attach it and finish making the unit, then all of this is removed, so that way it helps the closure to lay flat. Okay, and it will be a center or a high left or right parting with this unit. I'm going to remove that piece. Okay. So what you want to do is, and it kind of doesn't matter because once you sew and you finish making your stitches and stuff, you can comb the hair out of the way, but just I like to have control, so this is what I do. Put it under there, let your foot down, make sure your pedal is close. Just a little bit. You want to do a straight stitch as close as possible to the edge of the closure, because you don't really want a stitch going through, you know, some part of the closure where that hair needs movement. Okay, I want you to really my face is going pretty much, but it's not about me. Here we go, slow and control, like I always say. Back stitch, and now we can go forward. Make sure everything is nice and flat. You need to go underneath, push that hair out of the way. Follow the curves of your closure. I like to check and see what's going on as I'm making my unit, just to make sure everything is going the way I need to, so I don't have to take it out when I get to the end. That's kind of corny. Sewing things on like this is kind of like tracing. You know, you get your little tracing book as a kid, you trace with the pen, well, tracing with the needle.